How you can start learning electronics without buying expensive hardware. Today in this video we will be talking about Arduino and we will simulate a project to make everything clear. Arduino is an open source electronic development board that can be programmed to control different electronic devices. It is mainly used for making electronics and robotics projects. Now, what is a microcontroller? A microcontroller is basically a small program computer chip. It works like the brain of Arduino board. It takes input, processes the information and gives output according to the code we upload. Now, what is the difference between an Arduino and a normal computer? A normal computer is designed for multitasking like games, browsing, editing, and many other heavy tasks. Arduino is specially designed to control hardware components like LEDs, motors, sensors, and displays. It performs one program task continuously and very efficiently. Arduino is used in many projects such as robotics, home automation, smart sensors, automatic light systems, IoT projects, and many more. Now let's understand input and output device. Input device send information to the Arduino, for example sensors, buttons, or temperature modules. Output devices receive signal from Arduino, for example LEDs, buzzers, motors, and displays. Now let's look at the pins of the Arduino. Digital pins are used for reading or sending two values, high or low, which means on or off. Analog pins are used to variable values from sensors such as temperature or light intensity. So these are some basic concepts of Arduino that every beginner should know before
sign in and
projects.
create an account, and click on the account, go to my projects, then create a new project. Then the left panel, select Arduino, then Arduino Uno REV3 board. Now from here you can take the components. So first we will blink a LED, so I will take LED first. Then this is the positive pin and this is the negative pin. The negative is also known as common ground or GND. So we will take this current to the GND, and this is the positive. I will set the pin in the 13 in the digital pin. Now you will write the code. All the codes that I will show, I will provide in the description. Now we will simulate this one. Now you can see the LED is blinking. Now what does happens? In the white setup, we are setting up the pin mode 13 output. That means the pin 13 will produce as the output because pin 13 is the positive. Now I have run a loop statement. I have given digital write 13 high. It means first the digital write 13 pin the light will glow. Then after 1 second, the light will turn off, the digital light will get low, and then again after 1 second the digital light will be high. Now this will continue in an infinite loop, and here 1000 stands for 1 second, 1000 millisecond this one. Now we will create a ambulance siren. So now we need a LED in blue color. Now we will drag it beside the red one. Same, this is the positive one. I will give to the pin number 12, and this one is the negative. I will give to the ground or the GND. Now for this one, the coding will be different. Now first understand the code that we have taken int red LED 12, means I have taken a variable where I have stored the value 12, digital pin 12, and the digital pin 13. Now in the void setup, I have told that pin mode red LED will produce output and the blue LED will produce the output. Then in the void loop, I have run a loop statement that digital write red LED high means when the red LED will glow, the blue LED will be turned off. Then again 0.3 seconds after, the digital write red LED will be turned off and the blue LED will glow. Now again after 3 seconds this loop will occur infinitely. Now we will simulate this one. And you can see the LED is blinking like an ambulance siren. Now we will do a series of 7 lights. So for that we need 7 LEDs. I have taken 7 LEDs. Now we will place one after another so that it looks good. Now you can change the color of the LEDs so that it looks good. Now as same we have done with these 2 LEDs, we will these 5 LEDs we will do the same thing. First I have given in 13, then 12, then this one will be 11, then this one will be 10, then this one will be 9, this one will be in 8, and this one will be in the 7. So the positive connection is done. Now the negative connection, this will be in the ground. All the same thing will be in the ground. Now the coding will be different. Now I think you understand that what is the void setup we do in the coding. We understand the Arduino that what are the pins are connected with the Arduino. Then I have run a loop where I have run a for loop from pin 2 to pin 8, and from pin 8 to pin 2 it will come back. Now if we simulate this one, this will cause an error. First we will simulate. Now you can see that only these 2 LEDs are glowing. This is because we have set the pin mode from 2 to 8, but our pin mode is from 7 to 13. So one thing we can do, we can change the pin of the LEDs, or we can change in the code. So it is easier to change in the code, so I will change in the code only. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now also it will not work because in the for loop it is there from pin number 2 to 8. The 2 will be 7 and the pin number 8 will be 13. And this one will be pin number 13 to pin number 8. Now understand the logic. From pin number 7 to pin number 13. Means from this blue LED to this red one, it will increment and glow one after another. The digital light pin will be high. After 0.2 seconds, again there is a loop where from pin number 13 to pin number 18, all the LEDs will turn off. Thus, the pin is decrement, and again after 0.2 seconds, this will happen. So this is also an infinite loop of 7 LED series. Now, if we simulate this one, this will work properly. Now you can see this is a very beautiful series of light. Like this, without any hardware components, you can run the Arduino projects in your computer or your mobile phone only.